Betty, it's time for us to start the assembly, and you need to just get back. I know you're looking good today. Yes, you are. You are. Hello, everyone. Oh, Betty loves cameras, though. Yes, she does. She absolutely loves cameras. Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's celebration assembly. It is so exciting when we get to do celebration assemblies because we love seeing all the fantastic work all the children have done over the week. Are you ready, Betty, for us to look at all the things and celebrate the successes? Yes, Betty is, and I am as well. Are you ready? Okay, just a second. Go over there, Betty. Good girl. Now, are we ready for our going for gold? Yes, it's going for gold awards first, isn't it? First, we have in Lee's class, Harper CD for using the word paint to communicate, and David for putting his coat on by himself. In York class, we have Jackson for super maths when using a porthole model for the first time, and Esme for super reading during Read Write Inc. In whole class, we have Bailey for writing down the ideas independently in lessons, and Michael for trying so hard to improve his cursive handwriting. In Nottingham, we have Gabby for excellent sentences about why she liked the story The Gruffalo's Child, and Caleb for excellent knowledge when sorting adjectives and nouns. In Liverpool class, we have Susanna K for always giving 100% in all lessons, and Casper for super effort with multiplication. In Cardiff class, we have Morny for excellent knowledge in English and great contributions, and Amelia for fantastic effort in maths and with her handwriting. In Edinburgh class, we have Ella for imaginative writing using a varied vocabulary and sentences, and Kristen for the effort she is making with her times table, showing enthusiasm that regular practice pays off. In Cambridge class, we have David for working hard in maths and English all week, and Madison for showing excellent knowledge about the heart in science. In London class, we have Poppy for working hard in all areas of the curriculum, and Kian for trying hard in English. In Oxford class, we have all of Year 6 for trying hard to practice SATs papers. We also have George for superb contributions in class discussions. In Lincoln class, we have Muhammad for using the choice board to select a symbol for something he wanted, rice sensory play. And in Chester class, we have Kai for amazing attitude to learning and effort in English and maths. Now, let's give them all a big hand. Well done, children. Really proud of you. Keep it up, keep it up. Now we have our Year of Being Healthy Awards. First, we have Leeds class. We have Nadia for beginning to show us her beautiful smile, and Tommy for joining in with rainbow relaxation. In York class, we have Vanessa for always having some healthy options in her packed lunch, and Jake for always eating all of his healthy school dinners. In whole class, we have Michael for enjoying his school dinners and eating a variety of food, and Lillian for learning how to dribble a football in PE. In Nottingham class, we have Faith for excellent partner skills in PE this week, and Daisy for an improvement in her effort in class and resilience towards her learning. In Liverpool class, we have Evie for always eating all of her school lunches, and Katie for always having such a healthy packed lunch. In Cardiff class, we have Casper for asking for extra vegetables at dinner, and Lilia for trying her best to eat all of her dinner and trying new foods. In Edinburgh, we have Isabel A for an improvement in her effort in class and showing great listening and growing confidence. And Ruby for her resilience in learning her spellings and times tables, especially at home. In Cambridge class, we have Keely for returning to school with a positive attitude, and Tyler for trying new foods at lunchtime. In London class, we have Jessica M for showing resilience and confidence across the week, and Leah Marie for being a good friend to a classmate. In Oxford class, we have Shadrach for his efforts during the Daily Mile, and Alfie for showing excellent effort throughout the curriculum. In Lincoln class, we have Emmanuel for calmly following his everyday routines without prompts. And Chester, we have Talisa for helping others to keep a healthy mind by asking them how they are feeling. Well done to all of you children. Let's give them a big hand. Well done. Well, come on, Betty. Come here. Yes. We are so proud of all of you. And even if you didn't get an award, we are proud of you, aren't we? Yes, because we saw a lot of really hard work happening over this past week. All right, children. It is time for the weekend. Let's remember that we make good choices even at home. Yes, we do. We listen to the adults in our home and follow the rules, do we? Yes, we do. We make good choices. All right, everyone. I can't wait to see you next week. Have a good weekend. Bye.